Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I was over at Walmart again and saw this, decided to grab it and check it out. So this is the Ozark Trails 12-piece camping tool set. Includes 3 sheaths here. So, it's in a rather very large box, as you can see. Yeah, let's go ahead and rip into this and see what the quality is of this stuff. See if it's any good. Price on this was 30 bucks. The same as the other kit that we bought. So let's go ahead and see if we can figure out how to get this thing open. Let's see here. I don't know. Let's just pop open like this. Oh, it looks like it's got some safety thingies here. Well, I'm not really sure. They did not want that being opened very easily. Sorry about the camera shake there. Alright, everything's open. Looks like we got maybe some oil on this blade. Alright, I'm going to put this to the side. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out this pocket knife first. Let's get this over here. There we go. So, there's the knife. Paracord handle, which, to be honest, I don't really like. Just because it can come loose and make it really hard to manage a grip on this. But it's okay sharp. It's not the best. No markings other than Ozark Trail on there. It's a pretty big knife. It really is. I mean, it's sharp, but it's not the... Those are pretty sharp, the saws. But it could be a little sharper. Alright, well, that's the first one. Let's go ahead and check out the little hatchet here. Again, another paracord wrapped handle. And we got some bolt holes there. Oh, the hatchet's sharp at least. Alright, usually, you know, a lot of times you don't ever get sharp hatchets, but this one's sharp. Oh yeah. Matter of fact, I think it's actually sharper than the knife. It looks like they put some oil on the blade. I'm not sure why it's painted black. Well, it's not really going to rust. But, alright. Well, I dig the hatchet. Nice and compact. And it's pretty lightweight. So, alright. Then we got some paracord here. I'm not sure how many feet. But, good shelter building material. Obviously. So that's a plus. Let's see here. We've got 2 carabiners that are not for climbing. And these say that they will hold 60 pounds. I don't know. They're very lightweight. So we get 2 of those. And then very cheap sharpening stone. That looks like both sides are the same grit. But something's better than nothing, I guess. And let's see here. What do we got? We got a ferro rod. What the heck? Oh, okay. Well, I'm not... Is this... It's actually not... I'm kind of confused here. See the ferro rod? So this whole thing is not a ferro rod. Only that little section is. Which is kind of lame because that's not a lot of... I think this is just a... Is this a magnesium? No. I have to look. We'll look and see. Because I think this is just a striker. Let's see here. What do we have? It's going to tell me here. It just says fire starter. Interesting. Let's see here. Yep. Alright. So it's just a... And this is... It's metal, but it's not... I was thinking maybe it's magnesium. Oh wait, it is. Yeah, okay, this is magnesium. Okay. So, you got your magnesium on one side, and you got your striker on the other side. Makes sense. And the knife worked pretty well to do that with. I just used the edge of there. So, okay, that makes sense. Very, very lightweight, by the way. So lightweight, I'd be afraid to lose it. It needs to have some paracord on there. Alright, next one we got is flashlight here. It has a zoom in, zoom out feature. And did they give us batteries? Yes, they did. So this one actually gives you batteries. It takes 3 AAAs. It had this in there to keep it turning on. Alright, let's see what we got here. So off. So soft press obviously on the modes there. It'll get you by. It's not a bad light, you know, for camping, whatever. You don't really need a bright light camp. This is a knockoff of the Duracell flashlights that they used to sell at Costco. But yeah, not bad. At least it came with batteries this time. Alright, last but not least, the old machete. Fairly sharp, not bad. See, the problem with this, it doesn't flex. You really want machetes that flex a little. I mean, it does a little bit, but... And we got our soft rubber handle here. Fits pretty good in the hand. Not too bad. So, that is it for this kit. 30 bucks. Well, let's see what they got for sheaths here. Okay. So it's got several, each one of these has got several pockets. Get that box out of the way. So let's check this one out. Feels like it's got a hard plastic liner in there. Okay. We got an outer pocket. Very cheap, straight to the point. I think, but not sure. No, that's definitely not going to fit in there. Interesting. Okay, well, so the knife has a plastic liner, so it doesn't stab through the sheath, but the machete does not. And which I think the machete really needs to have that. Oh, look at this. This appears to not be... Am I going to be able to get it this time? Okay, very tight. I was able to get it to fit on there. I'm not really sure what all these are for, considering none of these want to take the knife sharpener. This one is very tight. Let's see if we can't get it in there. It just does not want to go in. Imagine that. Get the hatchet in here. Very nice. Not too bad. It's a little loose. At least I'll just cover the blade. That is the point. Okay, well, that's it for this, guys. 30 bucks worth? What do you guys think? I don't think so. I'm looking at like $20, maybe. It's a good amount of paracord, though. But yeah, well, I mean, it's a starter kit, you know, kind of a, I wouldn't say throwaway, but something you don't have to worry about losing, I guess. But alright, you guys, well, that's going to do it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. And until next time, y'all have a good one.